In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a business card on Canva. What you have to do is to go to your homepage, your Canva homepage, click on the search bar, and let's search for business cards. And from here, you'll see different templates. Just click on whichever you think suits you, your personality, and your purpose. So, for example, this one looks really formal. Let's click on that. Customize this template. There you go. So to change your image here, click that and then go to uploads. You need to upload your face, your picture, of course, click that. But if not, just drag on your picture and put it here. Ta-da! Change your name. Melody. What is your position? Sales manager. Your contact information, email, your website, and your address. Now, if you'd like to make it more personalized, then change your background. You can try to put more elements here too as well. Now you can add on some elements here if you wish to for the background. Let us try searching for some backgrounds here. Hmm. How about how about this? Yeah, I don't think that looks good though. Layer, send to back. Ooh, I think it's fine. Anyway, you can do it just like that. That's about it. That's how you can make a business card on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.